Hi, M5707. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. Good day. My name is Melissa May Liberato, 34 years of age, married with one kid, age 1 year old and 10 months. My religion is Roman Catholic, and I'm a college level with a course of Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Okay. Is your husband have a job?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is the one who will take care of your 1-year-old boy?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
Okay. Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience being a helper since 2018 to 2022.
I have a 4 years work experience as a nanny here in the Philippines for one family, and my main duty is taking care of the child. I started taking care of the child since he was 2 until he was 6 years old, and my main duties are preparing meals and milk, washing the dishes and the bottles, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, monitoring safety and health of the children, sending and picking him up from school, and I also tutor him with his assignments, and sometimes I do cleaning and cooking.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn?
To prepare a milk for the newborn, I make sure that I wash and sanitize my hands, wash and sterilize the bottle, and put the right amount of the water and formula milk, and check the temperature of the water, then mix, and
Okay.
then give it to the baby, and after feeding the baby, burp the baby.
Okay, give birth. Okay. If the baby is crying, what you should do?
I will check the common reason, like maybe the baby is hungry or is sick, feeling uncomfortable, or maybe the diaper is full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, you also feed the baby, maybe the baby is hungry. And also you change the diaper and you also wash the baby. But everything that you have done to make the baby stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I will inform my employers right away to handle the situation properly.
Okay, because maybe the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry.
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it offers high salary, and I believe that it will enable me to better support my family and especially my son.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong as long as my employer needs my service, and
Okay.
I'm willing to extend my contract.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitors and asked you to go inside of the house and your employer doesn't at home that day? What will you do?
I will inform my employer and ask them if they are expecting a visitor, sir. And that if I have confirmed that they are not expecting anyone, I will call the police and inform
Okay.
that there's a stranger outside the house.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because the person who is outside is saying that they were a visitor but they were are pretending, right?
Yes, sir.
It's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right? Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes, sir.
But by the way, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I can learn cooking Chinese food by training, and I'm open to learning new experiences, and by watching videos
Okay.
and reading recipe books. Also, if my employer is going to teach me, I will grab the opportunity to learn.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do. Be honest to your employer that you don't know how to prepare Chinese food. And if they have a time to teach you how to prepare, it is your pleasure to learn with them, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to work on Sunday in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employers, if you will hire me, you can trust that I will be trustworthy, hardworking, and I will always prioritize my duties. And also, I will exert extra effort to meet your expectations.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Melissa May. Thank you.
Thank you.